Hello and welcome back to the channel, ValPals. Today I'm going to do a huge HelloKitty haul.
Power off.
In the spirit of the HelloKitty haul, I brought out my little HelloKitty mic. I got all this stuff. I put it all in an unrated bag, or overrated bag. But it is actually from like quite a few places and it's all HelloKitty and Friends related, so we'll get into it. First things first, this t-shirt. It's actually like, it's a plus size. It's 1X or 0X, I think. Well, I love the little like, there's little like gems sewn in and like stuff over here, the little heart. And I like the little pastels. I don't know, this is really, really cute. I didn't put this in the bag, but I got this Cream Shop HelloKitty face toner wipes, or the Creme Shop. Oh my gosh, I mess it up every time. But this is like gorgeous. And I did need more face toner wipes, so it's just like full of them. I liked the case. Like you can see on the top, there's a little HelloKitty, there's like HelloKitty here. Next one is from Forever 21. So since I got extensions, I've been wanting a heatless hair curling set, but this one you wear to bed and you're supposed to wake up and your hair's supposed to be curled. So I wanted a way to curl my hair without damaging my hair. This next thing, my boyfriend actually got me for Halloween. It's Creme Shop Halloween HelloKitty face masks. Me and my boyfriend do little face masks like all the time together. I think it's cute. He got me this Trick or Treats HelloKitty palette for Halloween. So I'm excited. It's kind of like, you always see those videos on like, boyfriend's supposed to get their girlfriend's a Halloween basket. And I feel like I got my little basket without the actual basket. Next up, I got two HelloKitty 50th anniversary face masks from, these ones I got from Ulta. Next up, we've got quite a few of these lip smackers. I'm excited to actually like open these up and try them. I'll open them up in like just a little bit. I've got another lip smackers with like the 50th anniversary editions. Really cute. There's this one, another lip smackers. This one, when you open it up, it's supposed to like come out of her stomach, and I'm like very curious how that looks because I feel like it's gonna look like really weird. One more lip smackers. This one's just in a different shade. It's more like a sparkly pink. Cute too. So these I have already used and opened the packaging, but they are still new. Part of HelloKitty and Friends, but these two little My Melody hair clips. Oh, I'm dropping them. These are like so freaking cute. I'm sorry. I love these. Out of everything I bought, I've used these like the most so far, and they're just freaking adorable. I love them. More towards the HelloKitty and Friends, I got these super cute cinnamon roll like makeup, like what are they called? Makeup sponges. But my makeup sponge for my like setting powder is really, really disgusting. And so I'm really excited to open these because they're all so freaking adorable. They also had a HelloKitty version. I got two more HelloKitty 50th anniversary edition lip glosses. One's like a sparkly white, like clear, and then one's like sparkly pink. I love them. Also, when I went into Miniso, I almost bought another sparkly white lip gloss that was HelloKitty, and I'm very glad that I like put it back because I did not even notice that I already had one that I bought from Forever 21. Last item from Forever 21 is a My Melody lip gloss. This one I actually got off of Amazon. It's a My Melody lip and cheek stain. I think it's cute. Miniso, stuff I got from Miniso. So this is a Creme Shop HelloKitty BT21, and it says palette, so I'm assuming maybe eyes, but it also like it doesn't specify what kind of palette it is. But like the more I looked at it, the more I just felt like it was really, really cute. I just really liked the design of the case. I liked the little stickers on the front, and like I don't like exactly know what I'll do with the colors, but I also feel like I need to open it up and really like look to see what I can do with it, because there's this like yellowy number, I'm not sure. With that, I also got this Creme Shop HelloKitty BT21 lip stain. So I almost got it to look like a little cute like set kind of thing. I like it. It's kind of like a peachy color. There's this color in one of the Tarte lip glosses that I've been trying to find in other brands. This one looks very, very similar to the color that I'm trying to recreate, but like, okay, Tarte's got like this plumping, which is like, it looks really cool, but like, it's a struggle when you have a boyfriend, because like, guys do not like plumping on their lips, so I've been trying to find something in the same color that is not plumping. I am really excited about this one. It's not available in the US. I had to order this baby off of eBay for probably like way more than it's selling in, I think this one shipped from Japan. I don't remember. I'm pretty sure it shipped from Japan. But I got the Amuse Lip and Cheek cell phone. I'm so excited about this one. In general, I was also like, everyone's been doing the little like makeup cell phone trends. I couldn't even find a freaking like makeup cell phone case. I was looking everywhere. They were all like sold out, and I'm like so excited that I got one that's like, it's already like freaking pre-made. I don't have to worry about putting my own makeup in here. And it's so cute. I love Amuse just because like One Young like advertises for them. And I'm obsessed with One Young. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. We're gonna open them all. We're gonna see. Okay. And last but not least, I got a little surprise. This is honestly the most expensive thing I bought out of all of this. Like, each of these items were probably like $5, $10 each. This was a wee bit more. It was still only around like 40 or 50. I really try not to spend too much. But I got a Hello Kitty mirror. So I hope you enjoyed our little unboxing and unpackaging. Let me know which ones are your favorite, and I am planning on going Hello Kitty hunting soon. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe, and I love chatting with you all in the comments, so please leave a comment, message me, and I will see you next week.